In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date and time format in Outlook. If the way Outlook displays dates and times doesn't match your preference, the good news is that it's very easy to update. This can be especially helpful if you want dates shown in a day, month, year format instead of month, day, year, or if you prefer a 24-hour clock instead of a 12-hour clock. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change in just a moment. First, go to your Outlook inbox. Make sure you're on the main mail screen before continuing because that's where you'll be able to access the settings for your account. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the settings icon, which appears next to your profile icon. Click on that settings icon to open the settings panel. This is where Outlook gives you access to a range of customization options for your mailbox and display preferences. After the settings area opens, look for the menu on the left-hand side and click on General. This section contains broader account and display settings, including language, region, and formatting options. If you don't immediately see the exact date and time options, just stay within the general area since that's where they're grouped. Now find the date format drop-down, click on it, and choose the format you want to use. Outlook usually shows several options, so you can select the one that best matches your regional preference or your personal workflow. Take a moment here to choose carefully, especially if you regularly schedule meetings or review messages across different time zones and date conventions. Next, click on the time format drop-down and select your preferred time format. This is where you can switch between different styles, such as a 12-hour clock with AM and PM or a 24-hour clock. Choose the one that feels most natural to you and is easiest to read at a glance. Once both settings are updated, click on Save. This is the final step, and it makes sure your new date and time format preferences are applied to Outlook. If you navigate away without saving, your changes may not be kept, so don't skip this part. After saving, Outlook should begin displaying dates and times in the new format you selected. That's all it takes to personalize how information appears in your inbox and calendar-related views. And that's how to change date and time format in Outlook.